So my first video is for Angela Euchre. When I think of you, I think of happy, bubbly, and sweet. So I picked Bubbly by Colbie Caillat, and I hope you like it. Oh, and I miss you bunches, just to let you know. Okay. I've been awake for a while now. You got me feeling like a child now. 'Cause every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tinglies in a silly place. It starts in my toes, makes me crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. Wherever, wherever, wherever you go. Wherever, wherever, wherever you go.